Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, one of the best online money-making opportunities out there right now is Nexus Rewards. All right. Now, one of the cool things that I like about being a premium Nexus Rewards member is the fact you can actually earn up to $34 for every free sign up. All right, every free sign up that you get to Nexus Rewards, you can earn up to $34. Now, I'm about to share with you from one of the owners exactly how this is possible and how you can start doing this today. Now, I'm sure after you finish this video, you're gonna be super excited about this opportunity and you're gonna wanna get started. And all you need to do to get started is click that first link in the description of this video, join the team, and let's start building up this income. Let's go.
USP number 2, our app referral bonuses. Okay, our app referral bonuses means that we can actually earn money on free signups. We have a free program. People can join us for free and get the apps and services. They can't refer people. They can't share Nexus with others, but they can get some great savings, okay? Now, initially, you can make $34 on free signups, okay? How does it work? They download and use our free apps, and you get paid. It's as simple as that. So we're giving away free apps. If they use them, you're going to make money. I mean, think of that. Totally unique to this industry. Never happened before where you could earn money on free signups. This is very attractive to some marketers because we've all done programs. I don't know if you have, but I've done programs where people could enroll for free. And you go out and you sign up 50 or 100 or 150 or a couple of hundred people, and they're all joining for free. And what do you make? Goose eggs, nothing. You don't make anything, okay? 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Here, $34 a sign up. Think about that. Enroll 10 free members, that's $340. Enroll 100 free members, that's $3,400. Now, they got to use the apps, but why the heck are they joining if they're not going to use them, right? So it's a pretty sweet deal that we have. That's unique selling point number 2, okay? Unique selling point number 3